Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna iCloud unlock your iPhone. Any iPhone, no matter which iPhone is that, any iPhone, any iOS, and in any country. So please do exactly the same thing how I am doing. Here we're gonna choose your language. Here you will choose your country, the one you are living in. Next, you will need to have a good internet connection to iCloud unlock your iPhone. Okay, let me put my internet password. You need to have your own internet to iCloud unlock your iPhone. Do exactly same thing and you will iCloud unlock your iPhone. Guys, this is the new method I have received today. I did unlock already few iPhones. Your one can be the next one, so please just follow exactly same thing what I am doing. As you can see, this iPhone is iCloud lock. Next, going back, now you have to press home button, then you have to press more Wi-Fi settings, go for information button. Now you have to go for DNS manual, remove, delete this one. That you're going add server. Here you have to write down iCloud dot 2008.30028. That's the iCloud server I have received as a new. So please write down, this one is very important. Next, what you have to write down is iCloud dot unlock dot 2008.40028. That's the second one and the latest version update. Yeah, if you did write this one, you press save, back, done. Now press your home button. What are you going to do right now? We're going to start over first. We have to check again. Now your language again. Here is your country, the one you are living in right now. Now again, internet, but you should be connected already to Wi-Fi. Now let's check again what is going on exactly. As you can see, this iPhone is still iCloud lock. What do you have to do? You're going back. Now press home button, more Wi-Fi settings, again information button with the Wi-Fi you are connected. Next, you are going for DNS. As you can see, everything is saved here. Yeah, okay. Next, what you have to do is automatic save. Now you can see everything is automatic. Now once you come back here and press manual, everything is back to normal. Yeah, what do you have to do now? It comes one more, come here. What do you have to do? Delete both. Okay, yeah. Next, now you have to write down iCloud dot 2005@30025. All informations are safe. Don't worry about anything. I have received new update. Please do exactly same thing if you want your iPhone to be iCloud unlock. Okay, second one, you have to write iCloud dot bypass dot, now you're writing 2005.40025. There you go. Second one is done. Just make sure you write everything exactly how it should be. Now we have to add third one, iCloud dot removed 2005.5025. That's the another one. You just make sure you're doing exactly same thing. If by mistake you will write something else, your iPhone will not be iCloud unlock. So make sure you do the same thing what I have done. Next. Okay, now we press save. Back button. Now press home button again. Now we are going for emergency call. In emergency call, you're gonna write only one code. Very important, but only one. That is 2005 hashtag. Then you're writing 50025 star and hash. Now waiting. Once appear emergency button, you holding for 1 minute. There you go. Now you are holding dial button for 1 minute. Make sure you follow this video and you follow this channel. Every video is for every iPhone to iCloud unlock. If you have any questions, please comment. If you have IMEI number, please write down in comment as well. As soon as it's possible, I will get back to you. We have 30 seconds still. Now we have 30 seconds. Now we have almost 20 seconds left. Then our iPhone should be iCloud unlock. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. 1 minute done. Now press cancel button. Now we're pressing done. Continue. Now we are waiting. It can take few minutes to activate your iPhone, but your iPhone should be iCloud unlock right now. If it's not, just write down in a comment. As soon as possible, I'll get back to you to help you. Oh, as you can see, this iPhone has been iCloud unlock. Let's continue next for you to really see that this iPhone is iCloud unlock. If you want, you can log in here always. Write our email or phone number, later password gonna come if you have email already or account. So yeah, you can sign in here always. For now, I will not do that. I will do later. That's totally up to you. You can do later as well. Yeah, now let's just continue to show you that this iPhone is iCloud unlock. Set up later, share. This is the way your iPhone should look, and this is the way your iPhone should be. So as you can see, this iPhone is iCloud unlock. You can do whatever you want. I will show you the iOS on this iPhone. That is 18.5 iOS. If you want, you can log in here already. That is here, Apple account. You can press and you sign in manually. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope so you follow exactly the same thing and your iPhone is iCloud unlock right now. If not, I will get back to you soon once you write down the comment. So please subscribe and I will see you with the next 5 days. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.